This is Blythe. And here's Byron. And this is Bryn. And this, I'm pretty sure, is, yep, Brenda. Oh, your tail is in the water, Bryn. That's Baron back there. And that makes you Bolt. This is Bolt and Brenda. Oh, thank you for the kisses, everybody. So sweet. Hello, Mr. Bolt. Mr. Bolt. And here's Baron. I think that's Bryn. Yep, that's Bryn. What? Hello, Bolt. Bryn's here. Yep, this is Blythe. Hello. And this... Oh my gosh, guys, hello. I gave them some new toys, so they're excited. That's Byron. I have Puppy Racket playing right now, so we got weird sounds coming from the radio. You got dirt on your face. Yes, you do. Hi, Byron. Good boy. I'm getting lots of kisses. Lots and lots of kisses. Hi, Bryn. This is Blythe again. And this one is Byron. And this is Baron. Hello. Hello, Mr. Yes, this is Baron here. And this is Brenda. That'd be Bryn. Alright, you guys gotta go play. Let's play. Really? Oh, you're a sassy boy. Oh, you're a sassy boy too. Yes, this is Baron, or Byron. Too many B's and R's and Y's. Yeah. That, I think, is Baron back there. Here's Bolt. Let me guess, are you Blythe? No, you're Byron. I'm sorry. You're Blythe. I knew you were giving me kisses though. Yes, Karina's in the crate. She's jealous. She wants to be a part of this. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Bolt's trying to get the toy. Brenda has it. And then they're sitting on. Let's see. This is Baron. Yes. And this one is Mr. Byron. And then I've got Bryn right here. And then Blythe is getting my shoe. The other three are with Cronus. Hi, happy babies. Hello, sweetheart. This is Bolt. And that's Brenda and Baron back there. And this is Bolt. And Blythe is getting my fingers. That's Byron. And this is Bryn. Hi. Say happy Thanksgiving. See you guys later.